Good morning, children. This is Shubhal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 2.4, exercise 2.4, and we have completed till question number 8. And today we will discuss about a very important question, that is question number 9, what comes every year in exam. So it's a very important question, and this particular question will introduce lots of new concepts of uh, percentage as well as of linear equation. So, children, let us discuss about the question first. Hassan buys two kinds of clothes material for school uniform. She shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. And shirt material is rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that is cost rupees 90 per meter. 50 rupees 50 is per meter shirt per meter and rupees 90 that is uh, trouser material for per meter. 90 rupees trouser per meter materials cost. That's fine. So next part of the question is, for every 3 meters of the shirt material he buys 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. Then how much trouser material did he buy? Children, it's a very important question and it has got multiple portions to understand. So, like 50 rupees per meter, that is shirts material cost, and 90 rupees per meter trouser material cost. And for one pair of shirts and trousers, for one pair of, matlab one set of uniform, shirt needs 3 meters of cloths and trouser needs 2 meters of cloths. Okay. So children, let us find what is the cost price for shirt. Cost price for shirt is equal to 50 into 3. Why am I multiplying by 3? Because 3 meters needed for one shirt. So rupees 150 is total cost price for one shirt. Again, cost price for trouser. Cost price for trouser will be 90 rupees for 1 meter. So it will be 90 into 2 because total 2 meters cloth is needed for one trouser. So that is rupees 180. 180 rupees for one trouser. This is a cost price, children. Now, selling price. So let me write somewhere. This is cost price is 150 and cost price for trouser is rupees 180. Now, children, in the question it's mentioned that he sells in the profit of 10% for 12% for shirt and 10% for trouser. So 12%, let us find. So selling price for shirt will be cost price plus profit. That we know right from class 7. That selling price for any materials is, or any article is, cost price plus profit. So cost price was 150 plus profit is how much? 12% of 150. That is only the profit amount, children. 150 plus 12% of 150 only, that is only profit amount. As it's mentioned in the question that the article is being sold in 12% profit. So children, as I'm doing it directly, you can make it stepwise, no problem in that. You can do it separately. First, you can find the profit amount. Then you can go for the total selling price for shirt. In that way, you can do that. No problem in this. So 150 plus 12% of 150 means 12 into 12 by 100 into 150. So children, This 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 6 are 12. So finally what I have got, 150 plus 18. So my final price is 150 plus 18 is 168 rupees. Children, this is the selling price of one shirt. How did I get? Cost price plus 12% of profit. 12% of the cost price. That is only the profit amount. So doing calculation, I'm getting rupees 160. This is the selling price for one shirt. Now, similar way we will find for trouser. Selling price of trouser is equal to, the selling price of the trouser will be, children, as we got the cost price plus profit. So cost price is 180 plus 10% of CP, means 180 only. So now 180 plus 10% of 180 means 10 by 100 into 180, 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. I am having over here 180 plus 18. So my final selling price for one trouser is 198 rupees. 198 rupees. So children, what is the selling price I got? Selling prices are 168 for shirt and 198 for the trouser. So now, children, now what is the total selling price for one set of clothes? Means shirt and trousers selling price together. Total SP of one set of uniform. One set of uniform is equal to selling price of shirt, that is 168, and selling price of one trouser, that is 198. Let us add them. ₹366 is the selling price of one set of uniform. Now children, we got the selling price of one set of uniform, includes the price of a shirt and price of a trouser together. Now the final thing is to be written what? If the total sale was 36,600, if the total sale was 36,600 and the price of selling price of a one set of uniform is 366 rupees, then how many sets were sold? The number of set of uniform were sold is equal to total sale, that is 36,600 divided by 366. That is the price of a one set. Cancel it out, you will get 100. 100 sets were sold. 100 sets were sold. Acha children, 100 sets means 100 shirts and 100 trouser, because 100 sets of uniform means 100 shirts and 100 trouser. So 100 trouser, one trouser needs 2 meters of cloths. Then 100 trousers needs how much of cloth? 100 into 2 is equal to 200 meter of cloths are needed. This is our final answer. Because there are 100 sets means 100 trousers also. So 100 trousers means into 2, because one trouser needs 2 meters of cloths. Finally, it's 200 meter of cloths are needed for 100 sets of trousers. I believe it's clear to everyone. Children, this is how we have to deal with such kind of questions. So please do practice this in your copy. If there is any doubts and confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.